I often hear the sounds that the mantids make around me, but I think they're generally positive. I do know that I care for them and I love them, and a few bad ones will not make me dislike them. Pretty much with any race, I won't hate anyone or dislike other races. If you want to talk about certain abuses, we're just gonna skip that. I don't want to really get off topic. I'm just going to say that, the ones that try to attack and the ones that are on in the there's a reason there's a reason for lower vibrational beings, and they do help us learn and grow. It's just that there should always be a limit. But anyway, I do still love the mantids. I hear them often, and they're much louder than the small bugs. I hear them in my bedroom, but they could still be outside. But I, I can be in my bedroom and I can still hear stuff happening outside, even if the window's shut. It's like matter doesn't matter, matter as in like walls. It doesn't matter. um, because when you're using your abilities, um, there isn't a limitation like that. I'm not sure how to explain, but anyway, I think you get it. Anyway, so I did hear them amp up, as in I could be wide awake. I could have my vibrations not as high as always as I can get them, and I could still hear them. I knew that they wanted me to go to the backyard. I just I don't know. I just felt it that they wanted me to come back there, and I would tell them in my mind I won't do it. I'm not doing it. And if you want to talk to me, I knew if they wanted me in the backyard and they wouldn't come in my bedroom where I have crystals, that there was something off about it. Um, and, the negative beings, they can't get past those crystals. If they do, they harm themselves. And, yeah, they just don't go past it because I put a bunch up in the bedrooms. So I wouldn't do it. They were pretty persistent with their noises, but I ignored them. And then I asked about it, and Ivan Teller, who I have talked about before, gave me a reading, and the channeling was he channeled one of my son's spirit guides, and I received a response that they wanted to scan me, the mantids, and they have tried to replace me with a clone so that they could better control me. And that is not my reality. That would never happen, and it's not going to happen. It's more of the pointless energy being exhausted. So just don't don't feed that negativity. Just stay in your own world and don't feel fear from stuff like this, because there's no reason to feel fear from it. It's it's kind of, it's just kind of pointless and kind of dumb. It's like hitting your head against the wall. It's just kind of dumb, is all it is. And they just have some lessons to learn. Um, to with because they're negative beings, they have growth to go through, and let's just hope that they make better choices, because they're just creating more karma for themselves. So anyway, unsuccessful. Um, so that's all I got. You can listen to Ivan's reading. It's quick, and I'll just end it here. Okay. Much love, everyone.
Was it mantids who attacked me a few days ago?
Yes.
They were trying to get me to come to the backyard. Why?
Scan your body.
They're so loud. It's like, I know you're not a regular bug. You can shut up now. And they're very persistent, but I'm like, if you won't come in my room where the crystals are, you're not positive.
Well, to give you a little bit more perspective, I don't believe this is going to happen. At one time, they wanted to switch your soul with another, like a clone that could be more controlled than you. So like Bryce been talking to somebody else when he's talking to you. That didn't happen, but that's what they're attempting at one time.
Is that going to happen again?
No, that's over with.
I want my clones destroyed.
Yes.
Are they destroyed?
Not entirely, but they will be.
Like, I agree with, I want that done.
Yes,
like,
you want the
please.
DNA wiped out.
All of my DNA that is copied, whoever has, I want it destroyed.
Because you are a threat to them. You might not feel that way.
I know I am, but I don't give them the okay, and I don't enter into that contract.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes,
but they know I love them though. I love the mantids.
Mm-hmm. Well, these mantids are using that to their advantage. Oh, you love us, right? And these weren't the friendly ones.
Well, I'm not stupid.
Mm-hmm.
Just like the Zetas.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.